this cone.
हम लोगों ने ये कौन तोड़ा है एक ना भी, तारिया भी बोल रहा है कि आई वांट मोर कॉर्न्स.
There's one more cone left.
No, no. This is the Christmas tree area. Christmas tree have no cone. Do you see that? The Christmas tree is having no cone. Let's see. This tree has the cone. Come. This tree has the cones. Do you see that? But no cone is in Dada's reach area. How can Dada get the cone for you? If I see any cone, then Dada will. You see, there's so many cones are there. Do you see that? There's so many cones are there. No. Hey, don't push it. Let's see. He's trying to. What he's trying to do? Arya, let's see. That cones are so big and ribbed. You see? These cones are so big and ribbed, but we can't reach there. That cones are out of access of the data. We can't reach there, Arya. Let's go to home now. Okay, you already have one cone. ये कबूतर अभी बिल्कुल सामने से उड़ के गए. Okay, no. The pigeons are here to eat this dal. They are here to eat the dal. Let's go from here, Arya. Don't touch it. It's dangerous to touch it, Arya. Don't touch it, Arya. Hey. Don't touch the electric pole. Yes, don't touch it. Yeah, this is the water for the pigeons. Pigeon.
Where are you?
Where are you? Yes.
Oh no, just fly away.
They fly away. Why they are flying away? Because you are here. You are disturbing them. You are scared them. Who scared the pigeons? Arya? Who scared the pigeons? Arya? That's why they are not come here. Let's see, there's lots of water and the khanam for the pigeons, but they are not coming here because Arya is here. When Arya is going to his home, then they will come. Then they will come here and eat the khanam. Let's go to home, Arya. पहले नहीं सेक्टर 17 आई लव सेक्टर 17 करके नहीं कि हाँ लगा होता था एक वो जो माउंटमेंट टाइप का कुछ बना देते हैं आई लव सेक्टर, उसके अंदर लाइटिंग वाइटिंग अच्छा था उस टाइम. ये देख रहे हैं ये सिंधी स्वीट्स है, सिंधी स्वीट्स ये मार्केट के प्रधान थे उस ड्यूरेशन में. तो सिंधी स्वीट्स के जो ओनर हैं वो यहाँ वो थे इसके प्रधान थे. तो उन्होंने अपनी शॉप के बाहर यहाँ आई लव सेक्टर 17 करके एक वो बना दिया, एक माउंटमेंट बनवा दिया. अभी ये मेरे ख्याल से प्रधान है नहीं, इनकी दुकान के बाहर से हटा लिया वो. ये सुपर रिच है ये लोग भाई, सुपर रिच. अरे लेट्स गो टू होम. यस दैट्स द कॉर्न. लेट्स गो टू होम नाउ. अरे यस you want to? Someone eat that cone? But why? Let me show. I think it looks so gluey. Gluey, yes. It's too sticky. Arya, no. Don't go inside. We are going to home. Let's go. Come. Say bye-bye to uncle. Bye-bye. Come. That's that.
ugly.
What is too ugly?
That cone.
The cone is too ugly?
Yes.
Okay, then let's go to home.
You need to put that. See that cone. And
Dishum, dishum.
like that. You need to cross it.
Yes?
You need to cross it. You need to cross that.
Was the ugly cone? Chantu? Arya? Oh, my baby. Arya, let's go to home, my baby. Arya? Arya. Listen. Arya, let's go to home. Stop, bada baby. Let's go to home. Stop. Let's go to home. What are you doing, Arya? ये तो पूरा मस्ती के मूड में हो गया, अब ये नहीं जाएगा. Hey! Let's go to home. Let's find the car. Where did I park the car? You know that?
Yeah. That cone is so ugly.
The cone is too ugly? Let's take it.
No, it's too ugly.
No, it's not ugly, Arya. Let's take it to home, okay? And give it to Mama. Give it to